Hi, my name is Alejandro. Welcome to OnBoards YouTube channel. Today we're going to be introducing you the Mad Wheels One. This is the Mad Wheels One, which has a 250 watts motor, allowing you to go up to 21 miles an hour, and has a 36 volts battery with 10 amperes, which allows you to do about 20 miles. This bicycle could be ridden in 3 different ways: as a normal bicycle with no electrical assistance at all, as an electric bicycle where it has the pedaling assist, which helps you pedaling, or with the optional help of the throttle, which propels the bike only with the use of the throttle. Mad Wheels comes with its distinctive fat tires, which gives you a stable and comfortable ride. The Mad Wheels has front and back suspension. The front suspension is also adjustable. You can leave it hard or unlock it for a more flexible ride. And you have back suspension, a great addition to this product, which you can also adjust by inflating the suspension mechanism to make it either more bouncy or more rigid. So according to your height, handlebar and seat can be adjusted for tall and short people. So by now you're probably wondering where the battery is. In this model, the battery is inside this frame, which is a great feature because it keeps it away from the water or any potential theft. The battery is lockable and removable, so you can charge the battery within the frame or outside its frame. Another great feature of this bicycle is that it's foldable, allowing you to get inside a car or the train if you wish to go somewhere else for the day, to the countryside, or inside your house if you want to avoid the water or any pollution. The bicycle comes with Shimano gear shifter, derailleur and cassette, and a front and back disc brake. As well as the 7 Shimano gears, we have 5 different speed modes or level of assistance that you can adjust through the display.